Do you know only 13% of businesses, family businesses, see the third generation? Even more surprisingly, only 4% of family businesses see the fourth generation. This is an astonishing number. That means 96% of family businesses that are started, they do not survive to see the fourth generation. Why does this happen? There is a quote in management which says, "Culture eats strategy for breakfast." As business owners, as founders of businesses, we are also engrossed in creating numbers, generating revenues, finances, that we forget that leadership and organization development is a core aspect of founders and business owners. Hi, I am Vishal Gupta. I am a professor in organization behavior area at IIM Ahmedabad and also the chairperson of this program called as LEAP, Entrepreneurs Networking Board, Mentoring Board, where we invite business owners, founders of businesses to come and join a 5-month program which happens once every month for 2 days, where we bring leaders onto our campus and take a deep dive, get into a detailed discussion about leadership, creating organizations, creating sustainable workplaces. This is a program especially designed for founders and business owners, where you will learn about leadership skills and organization development skills. If you are interested in creating a business that will sustain over generations, this is a program just for you. The program is going to begin from August 22nd of this year. All the details are in the brochure as well as the web page. The details are mentioned in the video below. Please take a look at the program brochure and register in case you are interested. Thank you very much.